Hey, this is Molly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what ShareASale is and how you can get signed up to become an affiliate marketer with them. There is one huge piece of information that you need to know before you get signed up, and I'll tell you about that right now. Before we get going though, hit the subscribe and the bell to get notified. Give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments below, what is it that you'd like to promote? What would you like to be an affiliate marketer for? And let's see if I can give you some hints and tips on what to do about that. Now let's get started. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network. It's like a platform connecting merchants with affiliate marketers. So this is like a two-step process in order to get going. First, you need to sign up with ShareASale and get approved with them. When you've done that, you can search for merchants and merchandise on their network and sign up for those individual programs as well. So in order for those merchants to know who you are and be safe and secure with who's marketing their stuff, you need one thing before you get signed up. And that huge thing is actually your very own website. That's what you need. Some of you are gonna go, oh no, I don't have that yet. All right, so you might be at the start of your affiliate marketing journey. That's okay. What you might need is to go to the second link below here and sign up for a training program that will take you step by step through creating a website, creating your brand, deciding what niche you're gonna be in, finding your target audience, etc., learning digital marketing. That's the second link below. If you have that already, just click the first link to get to the sign up page of ShareASale. Once you're at the sign up page of ShareASale, there are 5 super easy steps. Just complete the information, give yourself a username and a password. That's gotta be a long one. And on the second step, that's where you give your home page, your web page that you own. And it's super easy to just fill in the address, describe your business a little bit for the merchants to know, and then you hit the send button and you're good to go. Just await the approval from ShareASale, and they're gonna guide you so well through the process of setting up your first merchant program, grabbing the links so that you can get going on using these links on blogs, web pages, videos, or wherever you're going to be marketing your stuff that you like from those merchants. So with that said, remember, first link is to get to ShareASale. Second link is to get to the training program to get you started from the very beginning, building your business from the bottom and up. Step-by-step guidance to create a website so that you eventually can become a proper affiliate marketer and do the stuff that you love in life and live free, and yeah, all of that. So hit the subscribe button and the bell. Comment below what is it that you dream of marketing. Give this a thumbs up, and all the best. I'll see you in the next one.